And then what are the moves to double the business? This is the 3 to 5 year plan. In my new book, I'm calling it, the three big moves, but that should double your business in size and strength or capability. And it's getting clear. What are those numbers and what are those investments that we make? What are we going to really, really focus on? And then it breaks down to the annual. What's our number one priority for the year? What's the one thing we can drive that'll make the biggest impact to drive towards our 3 year, to drive towards the BHAG? And again, we just break it down and get very specific. And the idea of this is that when you ask a room of smart executives and leaders in a company, what's most important for the company, you're going to get all these different opinions. And without a really sharp plan, people are going to chase what makes them entertained, interested, or they think valuable. Maybe it's the clown in the bottom corner. Maybe it's the wheel or the ace of hearts or the balloon or the green slime. Everyone's going to pick what resonates with them. And that makes chaos. And that's the opposite of alignment. And our job as leaders is to figure out what's actually going to impact the business most, which is usually not the shiny stuff. And there's these things here that look like rocks. Rocks that are kind of not as exciting, but if we can calculate and be strategic and say, focusing on that is going to get us notably better results. And aligning the company around that is going to be better for everyone. And then helping to guide people on what to focus on. They're still going to do other things, but we're aligning our focus and aligning our resources to win.